we're in the middle of a spinach field, so let's do some lettuces.
Something with lettuce and
Yeah,
spinach?
so I actually have a way to prepare a kale salad that I think is really delicious and doesn't feel like you're eating kale, and just feels like really satisfying and has an awesome texture.
With that kind of kale?
This kind of kale, yeah.
You got that?
Yeah, really beautiful kale.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make a Caesar dressing. You know, at California's, our restaurant, we do a California Mexican cuisine.
Right.
And I think the story of Caesar salad is like one that is...
It's the Italians.
Right, it's known to be Italian, but it actually first was created in Tijuana, Mexico, which I think is really cool.
I think that's really cool.
Yeah.
I actually didn't know that.
So Caesar Cardini created an Italian immigrant in Mexico.
I was just gonna say,
Right.
okay, not
It
in
is an
Italy, but
Italian
it was an
immigrant.
Italian
Right.
guy, right? Okay,
in Mexico,
good.
first created Caesar salad, and you do find it all over Mexico, and I think it's really kind of a cool thing. So we're gonna do a version of Caesar salad with guajillo chilies, and then we have these really beautiful, like really relatively mild chili California.
Oh, nice. So what are the ingredients we're gonna use? Obviously, the chilies.
So we've got chilies, we've got some boquerones, which are really delicious
Beautiful.
sardines.
Yeah.
Black pepper, a little chili flake if we need it, white wine vinegar, some fresh farm eggs, Meyer lemons, shallot and garlic, and Parmesan.
Excellent. Okay,
Yeah.
let's assemble. Let's do this thing.
Let's do it, yeah. We can start with the egg.
Okay. And this is just, you want the egg yolk. You don't
Yeah,
want
just the
any
egg
white.
yolk. Take a shallot. Really the easiest way, I think, to peel a shallot is just take the ends off and then go down the middle.
Okay. And then we just throw it in whole?
Yeah, we can throw it in whole, or we can also toast it as well and check on our chilies. So they're pretty much done.
Okay.
But these are getting puffy and
You know how I know it's ready? This is another sign.
you can smell it.
It's
yeah,
in the back
or
of my
it's in the
throat.
air. Yeah, exactly. So we can take a little cheese.
Okay. Now, I know you do Mexican cuisine at the restaurant, but because I'm Italian, I like a lot of cheese.
Okay, cool. Is that enough, do you think?
No.
Okay, let's do more. Yeah, the best thing
That's
about
enough.
the cheese, too, is it also like helps it stay emulsified so you don't have to, you know, have a broken dressing.
Am I putting it in with the eggs?
Yes, please.
Okay.
We can microplane these beautiful Meyer lemons.
You want the lemon inside?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's, you know, it's a shame to not use the zest whenever you squeeze a lemon, so that's what we always do.
Now, am I putting both of these in?
Yeah, let's do it, yeah. We can squeeze those in there.
Just so, not so, just squeeze.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's hot. Doesn't
it?
that affect your throat?
No, it's not too bad.
Wow. Okay. You got me. Am I throwing these in?
Let's do it. Let's just start with maybe one each. You want to throw a couple of those in there?
How many? Just one or two?
I think two, right? Or one? It's up to you. You're the Italian. You should be.
Well, I love it salty. I mean, that's just,
Okay, yeah, me
there's
too.
two in there, but,
That's perfect. The shallots are smelling really good.
and throw them in whole?
I think so, yeah. I mean, just for the blender, it's totally fine. A couple grains of black pepper,
Okay.
and then we'll hold off on the chili flake just until the end in case we feel like it really needs it.
Okay.
We'll do a little splash of white wine vinegar.
Yes.
That looks good. You just want enough to get it to spin, really,
Okay.
in the blender. Yeah.
And am I gonna pulse it?
Just
Or
set
do
it
you
to
want-
go. Yeah.
Okay.
Go olive oil, yeah.
How much?
Just go to work.
Just let it happen?
Yeah, it's fine.
What do you think?
Yeah, that looks good, right? So it's pretty thick, so you could add a little bit more like olive oil or a little bit more lemon juice even. That's pretty good.
Except that it's
Yeah,
good.
it's pretty good.
Yeah.
And it does have some kick to it too.
Oh my God. I could
bad,
put that
right?
on bread.
So then we got to prep the kale really.
Okay.
This is, you know, really beautiful lacinato kale.
We can get rid of that, right?
Yeah, and it's gonna end up not even like, you know, it's not gonna remind you of kale. It's just gonna be like this really delicious salad that's can be really enjoyable. So then you just get it, take the ribs out and stack it up. And I mean, you could rough chop it and do like big chunks, and I think
Yes.
it's pretty nice like that too. But I like to sort of like bring it close together and just.
Oh, yeah.
So that's pretty much it. You know, we can even dress it in this bowl.
Because look at this color.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Squeeze some fresh lemon on there, even drizzle a little fresh olive oil.
Oh, yeah,
You
I
know,
would do
so,
that.
Yeah, we can. Little finishing salt, which
Yes.
is always nice.
Yes. Voila.
Thank you. That looks nice.
See if it's Oh, it's simple, it's easy, and delicious.
Yeah, and we added no salt to it as well. We just put the 2 anchovies in there.
Yeah, no, that's great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to do another one. Next recipe.
Let's do it.
All right.
Yeah.